Hi guys, for today's vlog, let's go make some scrambled eggs. So let's go. So let's go. And guys, so that's so perfect. Yes. And second, let's go need some salt. And next is this one pepper, black pepper. I don't know. Now let's go mix it. So yummy. So let's go open the stove. Wait, guys, I'll open the stove now, and I think I will choose this one because there's no. Yummy. I mean, it's so dark because it's. Ate now is putting the oil and our money green that you had. Finish! So, unti lang because para magbalot. Bye!